We're right at the start of a brand new month, so let's take a look at a few penny stocks that could help you make money in March. The market started the month with a big gain, signaling that sentiment is reaching bullish levels once again. Whether this is a combination of a new vaccine arriving or just a fluke, it's good news. So here's 4 penny stocks that continue to show momentum in March. Will these be on your watch list this week? Number 1 is Assertio Holdings. As a pharmaceutical company, Assertio Holdings has seen increased adoption due to the focus on biotech penny stocks. The company has a large pipeline of prescription compounds. This includes those that treat neurologic disorders, pain management, and inflammation needs. Just a few weeks ago, Assertio announced a large registered direct offering. This offering, worth around $34 million, should go toward corporate purposes and working capital. A few months ago, Assertio announced some large changes to its business due to the COVID pandemic. Chairman Arthur Higgins said that, quote, "To adapt to the current market environment and maximize shareholder value, we're refocusing and substantially reducing our operating footprint, which is expected to result in significant cost savings." He added, "We believe that restructuring the business will allow us to continue to provide our differentiated products to patients and better position Assertio for future success." Next up is SRAX. And while SRAX stock may be unfamiliar to many, the company has been making big waves in the tech industry. SRAX provides marketing and advertising tools. These tools are used in combination with machine learning and AI to provide management, marketing services, and media tracking across its platforms. The company works primarily in the fintech space, where it has a large range of products. This includes its LD Micro Index, which screens microcap companies automatically to be included within it. Over the past few years, the LD Micro Index has bounced up tremendously. Only a few weeks ago, president of the LD Index, Chris Lahiji, said, "I cannot believe what I've seen in the past year." The LD Micro Index has more than tripled from its March 2020 lows. The tiniest public companies were also some of the biggest winners last year and already year to date. He added that as each day goes by, the index becomes more and more consequential to the next generation of great companies. The company offers a SaaS platform known as Sequire. Recently, the company announced that Sequire has more than 3 million retail investors within it. This platform works by identifying potential retail investors to build a community for investing. Something else that has captured investors' interest is the relationship that SRAX could have to the cryptocurrency and blockchain industry. Next up is Indra Life Sciences. While Indra Life Sciences is a biotech company, it works primarily in the medical devices sector. The company produces thermoacoustic enhanced ultrasound-based products, a novel imaging system. The system is comparable to a CT or MRI, but is more than 50 times cheaper. Also, those who want to use it do not need to buy an entirely new machine. Rather, the company states that it's compatible with more than 1 million ultrasound systems in use already across the globe. The initial goal of this product is to measure the amount of fat in the liver. Because chronic liver conditions affect more than 1 billion people worldwide, the demand for new imaging and measurement devices remains high. Last month, the company announced a partnership with a research university in Berlin to study the effectiveness of their new technology. And last on our list is Timber Pharmaceuticals. Timber rallied more than 20% in recent trading with no great explanation. But while no news sparked Timber's rally on March 1st, the pharmaceutical company does have a lot to back this up. As a specialty biopharmaceutical company, Timber develops treatments for both rare and orphan disorders. It has a large range of investigational drugs in its pipeline. Currently, the company is intent on creating treatments for dermatologic diseases. John Kokonis, the CEO of Timber, has said that people who are living with systemic sclerosis or scleroderma often struggle with their quality of life because the condition can be disfiguring and may cover joints and cause pain, which affects movement and mobility. Currently, there's no FDA-approved treatment for any cutaneous symptoms in scleroderma. He said, "We are pleased to receive orphan drug designation for our investigational treatment and look forward to advancing into clinical stage research." Orphan drug designation is not easy to receive in any way. And with this, the company should be able to move further to produce a commercially available substance for this application. While it will likely take some time, there are more than 200,000 people in the US alone that could benefit. So what do you think? Will you be adding any of these 4 penny stocks to your watch list for March?